Hello, hello. I am just popping in for a quickie because I'm actually on the way out the door. But we got in the Funko Biddy Jurassic Park from the spring collection, the mystery eggs. And I really want to open them. So that's what we're going to do. I didn't have scissors, but I found these, so we're going to use these. We're going to open it up and see what they look like. I'm very excited. So I think there's 4, it's a case of 24, and they're in a little mystery egg, and there's 4 different styles to collect. 4 different dinosaurs to collect. There's one already out of the egg. Oh, that's so cool. Okay, so there's a display box. Oh, Jurassic World. I mean, I'm old school. I'll still say Jurassic Park, but yeah, the Jurassic World. It only shows 3 here. Let's see, Velociraptor, T-Rex, Dilophosaur, and this one that I can't pronounce. So yeah, there's 4 different styles. Which one did they give us here? Oh, it's a T-Rex. There's a T-Rex already up here in the display box. Let's break it out. Okay, so there's the eggs. There's our T-Rex. I'm gonna rip him out. But then there's also, for displaying in the store, there's the little hatch for the eggs to come out. But I want to see this. I want to see the little T-Rex. So we're gonna help him escape. Oh, that was easier than I thought. I remember doing that on a different one, and it was so much harder. All right, so there's our little T-Rex. So if you're not familiar with the Biddy Pops, they're in an acrylic case, meant to just look like the regular 4-inch pops. And they open up, and then you got your little bitty T-Rex. He's screwed to the bottom plate here, so you could always unscrew it if you really wanted to. Then there's your little... Oh, he's so cute. So he's hatching out of his egg. So little T-Rex hatchling. This is a little box. Okay, so let's pick out another egg and see who else we get. I don't want to open them all because I would like to sell some of them, but I personally would like to have one of each, so that's what we're going to try for. Alright, so here's the eggs. It's your regular little plastic egg. Okay, so there's like an arrow on this barcode. It's a lifted barcode, so I think they're telling us to lift the barcode. Oh, okay, so it's just got like your warnings, your choking hazards, and manufacturer information, all that stuff under the barcode. Okay, so then there's your little eggie. It's so cute. Are the eggs different? I thought I saw different colors. Okay, no. So there are different colors. There's bright yellow egg. Then you got this like darker yellow. And then I see there's green egg. So 3 different colors, I think. I don't think that means anything though. I'm assuming they're random. But let's open up this one and see what we get. There's the perforated line here. Open in. kitty, mine. Okay, got the cover off. Did not want to come off in one piece, but I'm not going to say that anyways, so that's okay. Alright, who do we got? Who is in the egg? Oh, it's that guy I can't pronounce. Stigiomolosh? Stigiomolosh? He's super cute anyways. And then I see they've got him wrapped in plastic. So I guess it won't get scratched in the egg, or it won't come apart in the egg. Like the top and bottom won't separate. So that's pretty cool. So he's wrapped in plastic. There's a perforated thing there so you can peel the plastic off. I think I might just leave the plastic on for now anyways. Okay, so now I got the T-Rex and the Stigio. Stigio? Okay, so let's see who else. So we opened a dark yellow egg. So let's open a bright yellow egg this time. And let's hope for either the Dilophosaur or the Velociraptor. Let's see. Oh, that one opened up in like one shot this time. That was cool. Okay. So, who we got? Oh, yeah. It's a Dilophosaurus. Little baby Dilophosaurus hatchling. Again, they're super tiny. So these are the biddies. So I guess if you stack them 4 high, then you get the same height as a regular Funko, I believe. That's how that works, I think. Okay, so let's open another one, and let's hope it's the Velociraptor so that I have the full set of 4. So we're going to open a green egg this time. And let's hope it is the Velociraptor. Oh, almost got it in one piece here. It did not cooperate. Okay. Here we go. Fingers crossed. Velociraptor. Oh, it's another Dilophosaurus. Alright, so I've got a double in the Dilophosaurus. If anyone, they're $8 each. They are on my website right now, subset.ca. Okay, so I need to open another one then because I need the Raptor. So let's try one more. We'll do another dark yellow. And let's hope it is a Velociraptor. Let's hope. Fingers crossed. You know, I will open this whole damn box if necessary. Alright. Let's see. Oh, it's another T-Rex. Alright, so we're at 2 T-Rexes, 2 Dilophosauruses, and 1 Stio. Where'd my other Dilophosaurus go? Oh, I put him back in the egg. What's he doing there? Okay. Alright, we're gonna try again. I'm gonna keep going. Okay, so we're gonna do. Should we pull from the middle of the box, maybe? Alright, we're gonna do another bright yellow one. I kind of grabbed from the middle of the box this time. I would like to get the Velociraptor before I have to go. Little baby Velociraptor. Oh, I got it! I got the raptor. Woohoo! How cute he is. Okay, so that's the 4. That's good. I only got 2 doubles, a T-Rex and a Dilophosaurus. So there's the 4. You got your T-Rex, your Dilophosaurus, your Stigmio, and your Raptor in the cute little bitty pops. So if anyone wants the open ones, let me know. Or if you would like to take your chances and get an egg, they're on the website now. So that's the Bitty Pop Jurassic Park series. I also have Care Bears and Sanrio that I have not opened yet. So this is the first from the new arrival spring collection that I've opened so far. All right, that is all. Close. Talk to you guys later. I'm gonna play with my cute little dinosaurs, my little hatchlings, and I will see you guys later. Bye.